What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So the Samsung Galaxy Note 22 Ultra will receive a huge battery, a new powerful chipset, and the latest operating system. Yes, the manufacturer has never installed such batteries in their Note smartphones before. Exploring the future flagship smartphone, Samsung Galaxy Note 22 Ultra new stunning design, latest features, smartphone characteristics, camera configurations, price, release date, and much more. Please watch the full video content. The first information about the preliminary specifications of the new flagship smartphone of the Samsung Galaxy Note line appeared on the network. We are talking about a device called Samsung Galaxy Note 22 Ultra. Yes, Chinese sources have revealed the first details about the new flagship smartphone of the Samsung Galaxy Note line, which will be released under the name Galaxy Note 22 Ultra. According to available data, the Samsung Galaxy Note 22 Ultra will be featured a 6.8 inches LTPO OLED display with a resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels with a 20 by 9 aspect ratio. The screen refresh rate will be 240 Hz. Plus, it will support an adjustable refresh rate to save battery power. The front panel will be covered with the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. The smartphone will receive a top-end camera with 3 image sensors, including the main one with a resolution of 200 megapixels with Olympus optics. The front selfie camera must have a resolution of 32 megapixels and it must have been equipped directly into the display area. A feature of the novelty, according to sources, will be a huge rechargeable battery. Yes, the Samsung Galaxy Note 22 Ultra will feature a 6000 mAh battery. The manufacturer had never installed such batteries in their Note series smartphones before. The smartphone will support fast charging with a capacity of at least 65 watts. The smartphone will be running the OS Android 12 operating system with One UI 4.0 user interface, which will soon be available for Pixel 6 models of Google devices, including smartphones, tablets, and smartwatches. It is assumed that the Samsung Galaxy Note 22 Ultra will be built on the basis of the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 895 SoC, which Qualcomm will officially launch at the end of this year. The new Samsung Galaxy Note 22 Ultra will receive 12 to 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of flash memory for data storage. The Samsung Galaxy Note 22 Ultra is expected to launch in August next year and will retail price for around $1,200. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.